Hello. Yes, I will come back to continue to talk of the plexus solar. Yes to me. I wanted to express when I say really yes to me, I can have a strong orgasm, the most beautiful in my life. Because this, when I say no to me, it's as a tap, not letting go the energy of the life inside me, not growing up to open my consciousness, to give the energy at this consciousness, to give the strong also, the force to the heart, the force to the expression, the force to the intuition, to the third eye. And at this time, really, when I open this, I can have an opening of Kundalini and to go in an ecstasy. It's much more than an orgasm. And also, you know certainly, when you say yes to another, a man or a woman, to have a sex, he wants sex, but you don't want, you. You say only yes to him, but you feel inside it's no. But to have security, to have money, to have a house, to be quiet because he is insisting, you say yes to him. You have sex, but never you have orgasm. Never you feel something taking you totally to feel you in the stars. Never. Because you have said no here. You have said only yes to the other. The orgasm, it's not the sex. And you will see that in the shamanic breathing. Only to breathe in this part, you will have, perhaps, in the shamanic breathing, a strong orgasm, without sex. We can have with the sex, but it's not the sex giving this. It's a yes to me. After, I want to talk of the heart. The heart when you feel the heart. You feel here the love. You feel something. It's not in the mind. It's not a word. You feel the love. It's not something excitation. It's not an excitation. It's something that you feel to receive the love. You feel to give the love. And the love, it's something without expectation, without condition. It's a love more bigger than that. It's unconditional love. It's not, I love you if you give me this. I love you if you are this. No, I love. I feel something really deep inside me. A mother, usually, normally, but normal it's also, you know, it's different, in different culture, normal. But usually, when you have a child, you love. If he do something not correct, not this, okay, you can say it's not correct, but to continue to love. In all different situations, you love. You feel the love. That is the love. And the love here, it's really deep, strong, real, if the love is connected with the first chakra, because the first chakra gives the force at all different chakras. And if we are cut at the third, I will talk, we can be cut in all also. And later, I continue. Here is the expression. The fifth. The chakra of the expression. To express that I am. That to express the first chakra that I want. To express the second chakra by my emotion. To express the third chakra by that I am. To express the love also that I love. You know, many can't say I love you. Many people are blocked to say that as if I say that, what after I feel to be obliged of this, of that, or okay. Or it's not beautiful, or it's to this or to that. As you can read, you can feel, you can understand. You not understand, you can listen. Okay. Express. Ex in Latin, it's outside. All that not be expressed are impress. In Latin, it's inside. And when we don't express all that we are, what we do, we keep all. And step by step, it starts to be heavy, really heavy. And after we don't talk also when it's cut here, by where, but by what part? If we don't talk about all this part, we talk only by the mind. And we have a voice totally different, because when you talk from yourself, from the belly, from the first chakra, from the heart, you feel the vibration in the voice. When you talk on this, you must, it's good, it's not good. What do? You do a mistake. You know, all these people talking with a voice totally in the sky. No resonance. Il n'y a pas de résonance. No resonance. You can't feel that the people said. You can't. It's not real. It's only if you read something in a book. You take this book or another book that somebody have written, but something, it's not real, or he have tried perhaps to do something for him and not for you. Okay, you see, it's really important to open this part. Here also, it's the third eye, the intuition, the capacity to see really the world. Not in the first level, not in the first plan, but in the second, third. To take a distance, to have, to go back, to see, to take the time to see. Not to answer at the first level immediately and to fight. What is behind? And you see sometimes the people blind. They have an open eye, much more open than the people opening the eyes and seeing normally. Because the eyes are as a window. Your window see something? Nothing. You are seeing through the window. But it's exactly the same. My eyes as a window. It's my consciousness seeing through my eyes. And if I am not conscious, I don't see something. I see that the people say. I can be taken by the fake news. I can be manipulated by many things because my consciousness, it's not open. The consciousness is to read, to see, to feel, to live, to love in different parts, more expanded. That it's important. And the seventh chakra, here on the sky also. If the first, it's rooted in the legs, in the ground, here it's higher also. It's the spirituality. Spirituality. What it means, spirituality? It's not the religion. Yes, the religion talk of this. The spirituality, it's the question. What is the life? If the life exists after the death, before the death, what is the life? For what I live? What is the meanings of my life? All that is a question, spiritual question. What is the sense of my life? Sometimes I suffer. For what? Sometimes I love, but I love somebody and he die, and what after? That is, all these are questions, spiritual questions. But when we haven't an answer of this, we are anxious. And we don't like to be anxious. We don't like this. We feel, the anxiety is difficult to support. And when I search an answer, and the religion, they give an answer. But you can see, all the religion give something different. Only to have the power. Of philosophy, or all politics also. They try also to give an answer and to put you in the belief of that they have. But only the truth, it's inside you. If an answer that you can read in different parts, or say a guru, for example, you must to feel that it's in resonance with you. At this time, it's okay. But if you don't feel the resonance with you, continue to be in the question and not to try to be quiet because if I haven't the question after, it's so anxious. I am so anxious. No. Not answer something perhaps totally strong. Feel, taste, see, talk, read. Open your consciousness to be sure. Perhaps never you will be sure. Yes. Because, why? If we are sure of something, we don't evolve. You can see that the scientist, the Scientology, excuse me, it's not good that, the science evolved also. That we believe one time, in the past it's not the same today. In the past we believe that the earth was flat. Yes, some people think also that it's flat. Okay. But now with the satellite turning around, we can see with the camera that the earth it's a kind of balloon. Not a round balloon, but something it's in circle. You see the evolution. And many things. Okay. I wanted to express this after I have something more to express, but perhaps it's good now to stop. Thank you. See you soon.